In today's video, I will walk you through how to check trading volume on Gate. Trading volume is one of the most important indicators to watch when analyzing a cryptocurrency. It shows how much of a coin has been bought and sold over a specific period, helping you gauge market activity and liquidity before making a trade. Let's get started. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Markets section. Here, you'll find the full list of cryptocurrencies available on Gate. Use the search bar to find the coin or trading pair you want to analyze. For example, you can search for BTC, USDT, ETH, USDT, or any other supported trading pair. Tap or click on the trading pair to open its market page. Look for the 24-hour volume statistic. This number represents the total amount of the asset that has been traded during the past 24 hours. In many cases, Gate also displays the trading volume in terms of both the cryptocurrency itself and its equivalent value in USDT or another currency. Generally, higher trading volume indicates stronger market participation and greater liquidity, while lower volume may suggest less interest and potentially larger price swings due to lower market activity. Remember, trading volume should be used alongside other indicators such as price trends, support and resistance levels, and market news. Looking at volume alone isn't enough to make informed trading decisions, and that's how you check trading volume on Gate.com.